Renounce Your Atheism by Dr. Heytham Talat. 21. The universe is so huge and the earth is so tiny compared to it. So why would Allah care for this tiny speck of dust in this whole vast universe? When I tell you that a king gave some advice to his son and wrote a book for him, are you going to ask me, how can a king who owns millions of acres of vast land care for his son who only makes for a fraction of a billionth of what this king owns of lands and acres? To Allah is the most supreme example. This argument is too petty to be even regarded. Arguing the size, big or small, is an issue, is a very absurd supposition. For us humans, the issue is not about the material size or weight. The issue is about the ethical and immaterial magnitude of things that have no size, like morals, truthfulness, and honesty. The difference between the greatest of mankind, who established the greatest of civilizations, and between the meanest is an ethical or abstract difference, not a material one. We are talking here about things like leadership, good work, and noble manners. If it was only about size, Allah would have surely chosen the heavens and the earth to carry the responsibility, since they are bigger. Whales are much bigger than microbes, for instance, but does not mean that whales are more important than microbes. Define important here. Does Allah care for the bigger creature because it's bigger and hence it should not care for the smaller one? Or did Allah guarantee sustenance for all beings along with the most suitable system of living? Another thing. The size of things is a relative issue, as we know from physics. Physics tells us that the heavens and earth started from a very tiny dot that was even lesser than the head of a pin, much smaller than the atom by billions and billions of times. Hence the issue is not about size, and we can never judge things by their size or their weight. The issue is to realize things and perceive them, and who can realize or perceive existence, accountability, wisdom, and concepts, and purpose better than man?